Hello everyone. So last time we talked about conductor and insulator. So we know that the conductor, these are the pathways or wherein the electricity can flow, or these are the things wherein electricity can flow. So example of a conductor is a wire. Okay, insulator, these are the things or a thing used by electricity wherein it blocks the flow of a current, or it blocks the flow of the electricity. So in this experiment we have here a series circuit. As you can see, the negative and the positive proofs of the wires are connected to the positive and negative terminal directly to the bulb here as our resistance. Okay, so as our light, so this is our light source, this is the resistance. So we have here the bare wires. Okay, we will touch it. Okay, we will use it to touch the things that we have now to detect if the materials available here are conductors or an insulator. Okay, so I have here things that we're going to use in our experiment. We have here a ruler. This is a plastic. Okay, so a piece of wood. Okay, a rubber. This is a rubber. Keys. So we have here keys. Then scissor. We're going to use the wire for the metal here. Okay, so we have here a plastic cup. Okay, also we have here a coin and a plastic. Okay, and lastly we have here a glass of water. Okay, so we are going to use it or determine if these things here is a conductor or an insulator. Of course, we will also detect if the metal or the rubber here is a conductor or an insulator. Okay, so let's start. So we will use this first, this plastic one. Okay, so the thing is, when the bulb glows, okay, it means the electricity can flow through this. If it does not glow, meaning it is an insulator, the electricity can flow. Okay, it cannot flow. Okay, so let's try to use this plastic, and then we were going to touch the two probes here onto the plastic. Okay, so as you can see, okay, there is no light. Okay, so that means a plastic is an example of an insulator. Okay, the electricity cannot flow. Okay, so let's try this scissor. Okay, let's make it, let's put our wires here, or the probe wires, to the metals of the scissor. Okay, so then we will find out if it is a conductor or an insulator. Okay, so we will going to touch the wires to the metal. Okay, so as you can see, this is metal. I'm touching it now, and then so as you can see, the light glows. So meaning a metal is a conductor wherein electricity can flow. So this is a conductor. Okay, so how about a rubber? Okay, so let's find out if it is a conductor or an insulator. So there's no light, meaning that this is an insulator. A rubber and plastic are insulators. How about a piece of wood? Okay, a piece of wood. Let's try it. It has point on wires here, so it has no light, it does not glow. So meaning a wood is an insulator wherein electricity cannot flow. How about is peso coin here? Okay, so it's made of metal. Okay, so let's try. Then let's try to point our probes here, and this one. Okay, so you can see the light or the bulb glows. So meaning this coin is a conductor. So this is a metal. So metals are conductor. How about this one? This plier. Okay, so you can see that it has an insulated cover here. This is a rubber, and as you can see, there is also a metal. So let's try first the metal. Okay. Okay, so it glows, meaning this is a conductor. How about the insulated part of the plier or the rubber? So meaning the light is not glowing, so that's why the insulated part is an insulator. So they use it like this because if you are performing electrical wiring installations, so it's better to touch the here in the insulated part, okay, so that it will protect you from the danger of electricity. Okay, that's the essence why this plier is insulated with rubber. So metals or conductors, rubber, plastic, and woods are insulators wherein electricity cannot flow. Okay, so this is the rubber is an insulator, the metal is a conductor. How about the keys? Okay, how about the keys? Okay, let's try. Okay, so it glows, meaning it is a conductor. Okay, this is a conductor. Let's put it here. Or how about a plastic cup here? Okay, let's try. So it does not glow. It's not glowing. So this is an insulator. Okay, plastic is our insulator. How about a ruler? So this is made of plastic. Okay, let's try. So it's not glowing. The plastic is the insulator. Woods, rubbers, plastics are insulators. Metals are conductors. How about a water? Okay, how about the water? Okay, let's try if the water is a conductor or an insulator. Okay, then let's try to detect if the conductor is okay. So it's flowing. So meaning water is a conductor. Okay, so that's why basically when we are talking about safety tips when handling electricity, okay, it is safe to make our hands dry before handling any electrical installations or wirings, because water is a conductor. How about plastic, glass rather, or window glass, glass itself? So a glass it is not a conductor, it is an insulator. The water is the conductor. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have learned something from this lesson. So this is an experiment wherein we can detect if the thing is a conductor or insulator using a series lamp circuit here in our screen as our illustration. So I hope you have learned something from this discussions. Okay, so thank you for listening. Have a good day. Goodbye.